Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video today. I just wanted to share a quick deal that I did at CVS and at Walgreens to test some things out. So I only did one transaction at Walgreens because what is it, today's Thursday, and I've been going all week and nothing have been printed for me. So I went to a different store just to try something, just to see if the register rewards are printing, the Catalina machine are working, and at this store they were. So maybe tomorrow I might do another bigger haul just to kind of show you guys. So I just kind of tested this out. I used my friend's account who works at Walgreens just so that I wouldn't be spending too much out of pocket that I didn't want to. All right, guys. So, and the main reason why I wanted to share this haul was because I went to CVS. I had some extra bucks that were expiring next week, and I just wanted to take advantage of some of the things that were happening. And then we do have some fetch rebates for the Axe as well as the Ninjamas that was a nice surprise for me. I did not know that, so I was like, oh, that's really cool. Let me just go ahead and share it real quick. The first stop I made was at Walgreens. We do have the Shea Moisture bars of soap and different kinds of Shea Moisture products that are on sale. They are some are 6, some are 12, I'm sorry, some are 6, 11 or whatnot, but the bars of soap and sugar, they are $6, and I bought 2, and then we do have a $3 digital coupon, and then they are on promotion for when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of these. All right, guys, so the next 2 items I went ahead and picked up was the Schick. These are spend 10 to get back $5 in register rewards. This one here was $11.99, and then I also got this one, I think it was $4.29 at my store, and then buy 2 to get 5. That was a $3 digital coupon for this. What's that? Okay, and a $1 digital coupon for this one here as well. And again, they both did come off, and then I was able to get back that $5 register reward. I'll show you guys my receipt. Here is the Schick, as you can see, with the 15%, but you can adjust it to what works for you. I didn't even want to do this to use I don't know, to meet like the spin requirement, because I was just kind of testing it. So I'm gonna be going to the store to see, you know, if I could do like a real spin deal. All right, the Shea Moisture and everything. Here are the coupons that came off: $3 for the Schick, $3 for the Shea Moisture, and $8 for the Skin to Mate product. Subtotal came out to the $16.65. It's 10 in Walgreens cash, and then I did get back 2 $5 register rewards. So $5 for Unilever. That is the Shea Moisture, and then here's the other $5 for the Edge product. So that worked really well. I'm gonna go back to the store and do a spin deal, so stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, forgive my voice, I have a bad cold. All right, so what I really wanted to show you guys was the CVS deal. As you can see, my Axe that was here gone. As I was doing a video, a client was calling and came to buy deodorant, so that was like the only 2 that I had, so I went ahead and got rid of it. All right, so I did 2 quick transactions, again, because I had extra bucks that were expiring and I wanted to roll them. The first transaction I did was with the Axe. They were $7.49 or $7.29, I don't remember. I'll show you guys. And then buy 2 to get back $4 in extra bucks. And then I also did the Colgate deal. They were also buy 2 to get back $5 or spend 10 or something like that. I don't remember the deals, guys, because they're a little bit different. But buy 2 to get 5, and then the Axe was buy 2 to get 4. And I did the Irish Spring, and then they were and the Irish Spring was also on sale, buy 1 to get back 2. So here is the first receipt that I did. Here is the Irish Spring. Oh my gosh, $4.99. So buy 1 to get back the $2, and we do have a $2 digital coupon. Here is the Colgate mouthwash. They were $5.49, and the Colgate toothpaste also at $5.59. Man, they've gone up. And then here were the Axe at $5.29 each. I didn't have like a 20% off coupon to use or anything like that. But even if I did, I was trying to use all the extra bucks that I could to bring down my out-of-pocket. Because I don't shop at CVS often, I don't get these nice coupons anymore, which is okay. But here's a coupon for the Axe, $7.50 off of 2. Colgate toothpaste, Colgate product, which is the mouthwash, the Irish Spring for $2. I did roll $10 in register reward, $4.06 that I had, leaving my subs total to be at $109 plus the tax. I did use an Ibotta gift card. And then I've already used what I got back, but I did get back, I want to say $5. No, I put them in this receipt. So yeah, $4, $2 for the Axe, $4 here, and then $2 here as well. Now, here is the deal, guys. This is the deal that if you guys need these items, that you should definitely do. And that was a nice surprise for me. And definitely check your Fetch account, because that was a surprise to me. Again, because I'm not couponing all the time. I am not actively checking my rebate accounts like my Fetch, my Ibotta, my Shopkick. Now that, what do you call it, is going away. So Checkout 51, I don't always check these apps unless I'm like particularly doing something to get rebates. So if you're, an active couponer and you're couponing all the time, check those apps. You never know. And I always scan my my receipts to Fetch, because you never know what you're going to get. It's not like Ibotta where you have to clip those coupons, but Fetch is, it picks up everything and it gives you at least 25 points for something. All right, so we do have the spend 30 deal. When you spend 30 on certain wellness products, you're going to get back $10. And normally it's around the laundry products, but it says wellness. So it included a whole lot of things. Like there's feminine care, these diapers were included, or pull-ups and pajamas, I don't know, and laundry products. So while we're talking about laundry, guys, look, these laundry items they've gone from, I think they were at 47 ounces at one time, and then they gone down to 37, and now they're 34 ounces. This is almost like, I don't know if you guys remember the video that I did a little while ago. Look at how big this is. Concerning the Arm & Hammer. This is like a big brother of Arm & Hammer. Crazy, right? Inflation. All right. So these pajamas were, I believe they were $14.99. Buy one, get one half. So two of them took me to like $22 and some change. We can do the math together. Plus I added the Tide for $6.99. Now CVS has what's called the 98% rule. Oh, sorry, guys. My nose is running. CVS has the 98% rule, where if you spent 98% of what you're supposed to be purchasing, you get back, I've already torn it out of my receipt. Okay, you still meet the spend requirement, right? So that's exactly what I did here. So these two ninjamas totaled me, let me see if I can pull up this calculator and we could do the math. All right, they were $14.99. I'm trying to use one hand here, guys. They were $14.99 divided by 2. All right, $7.49 plus the $14.99. So they were $22.48, right? And then I just added the $6.99 for the Tide. All right, so $29.47. That was perfect. That was all I needed to do the spend deal. I didn't have to add anything else at all. Now let me show you guys how do you calculate for that 98% rule. So if we take 30 and we times it by 0.98, it'll tell you what I needed to spend. $29.40 is what I needed to spend, and I was at $29.47. Right, and then we had a $3 off the ninjamas, minus 3. And then there was a $1 off the Tide. So we're gonna do minus 1. Okay, so all right, so that would have left me to pay $25 $2.45. Let me show you guys my receipt. So there is the Tide at $6.99. Here is the sale price right there. And then $14.99, and then half off was like, okay, $7.50. $3 of the Ninjamas, $3 of the Tide. And then here were the other extra bucks that I earned. What was that? $4 for the Colgate, $2 for the Axe, and $2 for the Irish Spring. I think I said that wrong. So I ended up paying $17.47. I just put that on the leftover, on the remainder of the Ibotta gift card that I got. So I got a $20 gift card. So as you can see, I had $17.64 left. So my total was $17.47. I just literally paid the 29 cents out of pocket. So that that worked out great. So then I did get back the $10, which I've already torn off here, but I did get that back. Minus 10. So, okay, minus 10, whatever. So that's $15.47, right? That I would have paid minus the extra bucks. And then on Fetch, I ended up getting back $8, which was amazing. $8 because there was a promotion for whenever you buy Ninjamas, they gave you $4 back each. So I got back $8. So divided by those 3 items, that made them $2.49 a piece. That's a great deal. $2.49 a piece, right? So if even this from $6.99 to $2.49, and this from $14.99 to $2.49, that's an awesome deal. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys have these offers in Fetch, and they are items that you need or want to use, I would say go ahead and, run to CVS and pick up those items for $2.49, which is a really, really good deal. And I probably will check Ibotta just to see if I have another rebate. But yeah, that's all, guys. If you guys have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, as I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm really, really close. Sometimes the videos get a lot of views, sometimes they don't, sometimes they don't get a like. So if you're watching and you're still making it here, please go ahead and subscribe and like. I think once I get to 2,500 subscribers, I might do like a nice little giveaway just to show my appreciation. But I do appreciate you guys. Thank you all for hanging in there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.